Yes, Speak My Mind family, welcome to your evening video as promised to you. You understand? Welcome back to this video. This video was promised to you in the morning video that you have watched before. But when I check, the time of that video will be too long if I put the two videos in one. So I decided to do two separate videos. So I have two videos for the day. So I kind of like the two video thing. Now come tell me say three, me not have so much time. And we'll only get two when the content is there. Alright? Because as I said, sometimes I have had 3-4 videos on my phone. And next time it is not like that. So it's not every day. Now remember now, I don't care everybody. Content is out there on a daily basis in abundant. But remember, it's not everything I'm going to carry. I don't know, me now carry nothing because me say me now sell pig tail in my shop. When I be a rasta buy and them not eat pig. Me have to sell vegetable because vegetable them want. So me can't sell no turkey neck when a chicken I don't want. Alright? So it's not like content out there, but me kinda steer. Even over in this diaspora, I kinda steer from certain people. You understand? Yes. Them have to really go below the belt or say something will really trigger me, upset me, for me come out and say what I want to say. But away from that, I don't really follow them up like that. Because some of them really untold them make no sense. Enough of them out there, when they hear them not have no reasonability. Them are reason upon something and see the substance behind the reasoning. It's just because, yes, them have a platform and them can go so boom and press live or them can do a video and them can come out and whatever views them get them okay with it and but nothing of substance. So sometimes when me hear them, I don't bother make them a garbage. Me can't bother to go take up no garbage. Anyway, people, as me say earlier in the first video, Marcia, Curly, TT, it's not enough. This is not enough. And I think by now you have heard everything that Marcia's Tina say about you. That she pretend to make it look as if, okay, you're sure not saying anything bad. But when she's going to say you're supposed to be a recipient of the Planka shop, Planka Nation should donate to you in assisting you. That's a hit below the belt for you. You understand? You are not no ordinary person out here. You are not somebody who she see on the streets or on social media or over mainstream media wanted help. You never tell her say you need any help, Marcia. You never, well, me don't know if you reach out to her behind closed door. Because the word out there, but you don't know on social media streets anything say out there. You understand? But I don't think you reach out to her. But she really knows say you need help. So what she do, she come out in a pretty way. Instead of come and say, boy, Marcia, or call you and say, Marcia, you need help, because trust me, this happen too regular, I know, and this bring you down and this now make you look good. She not gonna do that because she don't want you to get at her. And she still don't take to her platform and say it in a certain manner. You understand? To make it look like she's disrespecting you. What she do, she use psychology. You understand? She use psychology. But in using the psychology, what she are recommending is a hit below the belt. How can Big Deal Marcia now stoop to 99? Or you say is a what you are recommending her to? Siama, thief, you name it, everything. To be a recipient. One of the try set up 99. Marcia come in and get ton load of money and say she not get none. Because you can't real when you go say Marcia will come be a part of Planka Nation recipient board. Not to represent the recipient, For she herself to be a recipient, look good. That is more that coming like when Mike Tyson bite off Holyfield ears. I never look below the belt that her ears come off. This coming like that you do to Marcia, so not even it below the belt. You're coming like Mike Tyson, you take off all the field. You understand what I say? Yes, man. And you are going to say nothing wrong with that. And you know something wrong with it. But it still Marcia. Now come out and condemn what you say in a way where she condemn less than that. As me say in the video, you know what this morning, me say with that same saga, yeah, Homeland Security, and the whole of them over there say, Marcia, she not say nothing, she not mean it from the bad place, she not this, she not that. And one little woman company you comment and say something. Simple something, you know. And you want to take her on, you know. And with the woman I say, you know, to me, she are just saying something, but it sound is in defense of you, but if you don't understand and can't comprehend, you only realize say in defense of you, she has said. And you take on the woman. You understand? Me see you take on your customer, them will support you, where you beg to support you, and them come support you, you take them on for simple things. And a big thing like this, where you never tell Tina, come out here, come tell. People say you want help. And she come out here, big placard. Marcia need help. Marcia need help. Marcia need help. Dana need for help, Marcia. Dana need for help, Marcia. Planka Nation need for help, Marcia. That. Look who she a call upon for help you. Somebody where she knows say will never help you. Somebody where she knows say you and them can't take tea. Them not have nothing to do with you. If there was any chance for you to get help, you are blowing that from a long while now. Because as me said earlier in a previous video, it's not like a little one or something did happen and, you know, down the line, something crop up back and then it just done. It's a day-to-day thing with you. And this is why you couldn't stand a chance of getting help. And if there even was a chance for you to get help, you blew it sometime last year or early this year. When the eviction argument around and Dr. Love say XYZ, Ray, and then why if you know help, if you know there's something for you and you come out against the woman. So what kind of assistant now the woman for guarantee, girl? When the last time the woman asked Blanca, so she knows that Blanca never did help her. Me know Blanca only never did help her. You understand? But Dana said, boy, Ray, and she come out against Dana. You never see that tea, girl? So Dana did that try reach out to help her in the eviction time and the behavior where she come with. But now you come and talk about the woman for help. You using Dana to tell Marcia what you want to tell her what is on your mind. What you are seeing happening to her. But you know, bold and big enough to come out and say it. And she like a jackass. Giddy up. I'll know. Me can't hear. She said nothing about what you said more than she has said. No, Tina shouldn't call my name. No, my name should not be called there. Why Tina call my name? I didn't tell Tina anything. I didn't give Tina any message. I didn't want people who don't listen for themselves. But this is not enough. This is not enough, Marcia, for the person where we know you is. We're trigger happy for the simplest of thing. This big old man bird a fly. Pass. And I pass them place with you. And you know rise up your bingy and take it out of the sky. Something wrong here, some man. What is wrong? All me can't hear your wrenches them depend. One want something not go see it. One not go hear Curly come out come cuss Tina. One not go hear it, one not go see it. A bear, one that depend pan say yes, one go hear say Curly come out come cuss Tina. A bear, it's still not too late, you know, people. Because probably all over the weekend now when Curly have become more time and it's so keen. But when me I say it'll take too long, big disrespect. You don't know what they do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you like the video and please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channel. Life is a Mission TV. Yes, and speak my mind. If you're not subscribed to that channel over this side, over here, so Life is a Mission TV. Go and do it now. Grandma gonna mash up over there for even 3 weeks out of the 4 weeks so she there. Oh no, I miss that. And when I say a different thing from over here, so You don't know if you expect when you come over there. But when you done see your grandma festive, when you done see your grandma bad pan her mouth, me all I want already so trying to carry this a story. Them a story over here so over there because I know so she stay. But me can't filter her mouth. If she did enjoy herself and a drink her little sitting. You understand? And her head go off. She will just carry everything over here so from over here so over there so when she see her know. Cause so she turn. But me want her. Me said this channel is not for that, leave it alone. But me can't control her. So I want to go and go subscribe. Listen Curly.
She should have left it alone. My name, she had no business somebody. Me no business somebody. If me want to go to anybody else if make cake with me,
Yes.
do I need acknowledgement from me? I say.
Wanna listen how she calm? This is not Curly. What is hiding between she and T-Girl? What them have for them one another? As a matter of fact, it more seems like T-Girl have something for you. Oh, you never pay for the cake and you say you come pay for it? So that you're afraid T-Girl come out come bust say you never pay for the cake and you talk about you pay for it? Eh? Because with all the hypeness you go on with the cake and say pay for it and a free Tina gate and railway and blah blah blah. And that you're afraid? I wonder for that. Me don't know. Because what else go on behind closed door we don't even have an Enuff. Me don't know still, but something not right here, so. You're too calm for this and disrespect ya. And bite off face, cause me say I no below the belt, I bite off face this. Yes man. Mike Tyson and Evander hold the field. Come up man, talk up your mouth.
What great relationship Marcia have with
Yeah,
Tina?
read comment.
Has Marcia not asked Tina to provide
Listen to the comment
cake
where she
for her
read and listen how
party?
she actually
Tina
have respond.
wouldn't have acknowledged her. Listen to me. Then what kind of argument are going out here? What's going on out here? Eh? What kind of argument? What kind of...
It's more than 24 hour Marcia. Marcia is more than 24 hour. Missy 99 says something and come on for her life 10 o'clock. And by 10:05, you could have come out and come spit out everything when 99 say. Is it that when 99 click live, you jump on the live? And is it that when Tina goes up boom and click live, you're not interested? Tina is your acquaintance. You should be interested in Tina live and what Tina are saying. You said Tina is a force to reckon with. You and her and your name two more somebody are only that run things out here. So why when Tina click live you're not interested? But who and you is not acquaintance? Dr. Dana Marie go. The big this, the that, the Tara, the Wara, the Sarah, the all kind of things, the dons who can pronounce with words. Click live. You're the right hand of the phone charger. Not front seat, you know, the phone charger. Because you soon you should say the phone I got charge, so you want to see you. So you sit down right at the phone charger. And you're not an acquaintance. After 24 hours more, you still not hear what Tina do or Tina say. Hey.
What kind of argument are going out here?
You hear a long time I know.
Tina is not somebody who's selling cake. She had no business somebody. Me no business somebody. If me want go to anybody else if make cake with me, do I need acknowledgement from Tina? So when me go to Walmart acknowledge me. When me walk into the ice cream shop, Dunkin' Donut acknowledge me.
The comment she just reading now, it's your answer to one misinterpret what the woman is saying. So she have strength for the people that the comment where say things when I say nothing bad. Just to make sure try to understand what have been said. You understand?
Them say welcome.
Sure, shielding Tina.
How can I serve you? Then what kind of foolishness is that?
Why you a shield Tina afraid to come out Pantina or run out Pantina?
Me
can't wait for no.
Care nothing about herself. Me only care about myself too. Me no business what Tina want to say. Me just say I don't listen to it, but what I'm trying to say, based on my understanding of
24
what was spoken
hours.
this morning, Tina shouldn't have brought up my name in nothing.
Just simple, sir.
She should have left it alone.
Simple, sir.
My name shouldn't have brought up in any argument. who I am, and because there's a lot of other subject out to talk about.
Me see you jump on your live and you say somebody just send you a message or tell you something. And you come out hot, blazing, like when Capitan up on stage and the rest of the with the flag and the fireman over there saw upon the torch. Blazing. Simple something somebody, you say somebody text you and tell you, or call you and tell you, or you hear on a blogging page, and you run out on your channel without even get the full understanding, like a blazing fire. You're coming like when Ray going a burn down, when you come out. And for this after 24 or 48 hours soon, just hours under 48 hours, you still not hear what Tina say. So you don't have no interest in knowing what Tina say. If you did hear say Dana say, you know, despite sometimes they are not with you, you have to feel, you know, a little sorry for them. You don't come out, don't sorry for me, don't sorry for me, no way sorry for me, no way sorry for me, no way sorry. You don't come out. Remember, you know, she said, despite, you know, sometimes these people is not with you, but when circumstances, you have to kind of feel sorry for them because anybody can, you know, you'd have come out for her. Yeah, man, you'd have come out for Dana. But you know, Tina say, you have to turn recipient over planker shop. You know, see nothing wrong with that. Nothing don't wrong. She don't see nothing wrong. She don't see nothing wrong. Curly, she don't see nothing wrong with what Tina say. She's okay with what Tina say. She should be a recipient of the planker shop. Planka Nation money you a wait pan. Planka Nation money say you want it. Planka. Sit down and wait.
So
It
whatever
coming.
was said, whether she said it in a one sarcastic way or said it in a one way, the haters them are running with it.
Dress it up fair, man. Just say it in a nice way.
My name shouldn't have
Decent
brought up
way.
in nothing, no subject. Because anytime when if she had bring me up, you could hear so she had do this, she had do that, or whatever. My name shouldn't have brought up. However she put it, what I have heard, it shouldn't have brought up in the first place. In the sense of that, it shouldn't have my name.
So whatever you are heard. So why you don't go check for yourself is who tell you, or if you see it on a blogging page, because you love say you see it on a blogging page. Go see the full story of what she said. Oh, she delete it. You want it? Me have it. Me have it. When me have about what, 19 minutes or 15 minutes out of it. You don't want more than that. Because all what's supposed to be said, we shouldn't say, referring to you coming a planker shop to be a recipient, shouldn't have said, me have that. So if you want it, beg somebody if you don't want to feel it. If you feel a way if you call me feel, beg somebody. And me send it go give them and then send it come give you. And you're listening because she delete it. Me know she delete it. But at the same time, you don't have to send for it. Just go up on my page. Because you always do. You always in the comment section. You always a watch. There's a lot of comment me screenshot for you. You have never seen me comment on your platform. Never ever. And it's not just now you comment on my platform. It's a long while. Me have one comment where about 6, one video I do, about 6 times you comment. You understand? So I don't know. And recently, must about 2 weeks ago, you comment again. I may never comment. So you can reach out and me send the video come. If you're interested to hear it. But you're not interested to hear it. Because basically I already hear it. But some secret are that somewhere we can't afford to come out. And if some farmer sitting go on and the balloon bust, it won't come out. And it seems like you the secret are all for. I know you are all secret for nobody. The person who are downgrade you and a degrade you for a big deal. So if you got turn recipient over somewhere where people not like you, people not want to see you, people not gonna reach out to you. It not look good, Marcia. I'm talking on the video yesterday, and Marcia. So I kind of feel it for you, Marcia. I kind of feel it for you. I see that now you make me break down, Marcia. Marcia, me break down with the thing I don't think. Marcia, Marcia. Yesterday the people them say I must feel sorry for you. Because when the time when I do the video, Marcia, me say your blood pressure go up. I me never wanted the video to you, Marcia. No. No, Tina. Marcia, Tina, do you bad, you know, Tina? Marcia, Tina, do you bad, you do you bad, me not. No, I should be. Marcia, me don't know how you don't see it, Marcia. Marcia, Tina, do you bad in the video, you know, Marcia? When she goes to you have to turn recipient over Blanca shop, it don't look good, Marcia. I don't know how you can't see through it and see something about that. But anything as people do is simple and that you take it to heart and you curse them. Marcia, what kind of secret thing you have for you, Marcia? Marcia. Marcia. What kind of secret thing you have for you, Marcia? Marcia, what kind of secret Tina have for you? I don't know my secret this Marcia have. No, Tina have I want dangerous secret this Marcia. I wish she have for you, Marcia. Talk to me, Marcia.
Him shouldn't have brought up. Things is too crazy right now. My name shouldn't have brought up in any conversation.
But still I said this is not enough, Marcia.
You understand? Because when it comes to me right now, I'm the hottest thing per market. For them slander.
Oh, I could have, that's why she running by you, so you know. Because she want a piece of your trending. Yes, she want a piece of your fame, Marcia. So she use your name. Because she knows if she come out like how you're trending and you're the hottest thing. Yes, Marcia. You just come like you lick the nail on the head, you know. But Marcia, she still have secret for you because you still not go at her. But she want a piece of the trending, Marcia. Because she know if she say this, people are going to run out and say, so oh, Tina said this about Marcia and she and Marcia acquaintance. A piece of your trending she want for you. But Marcia, tell me no, Marcia, me not tell nobody. How what you do what Tina know about? Me I wonder for the cake you never pay for until you come and boast on social media say you pay her not free. And she know within herself say her free, she build the cake for you. Cause you say, are your friend put 3/4 of the money and you put the rest, you know. So if you come out come say a free cake, it not gonna look good. You understand me I say? But me no feel like that, Marcia. Me only say the closest thing that unless you know I do things off camera, you know I see you know one another off camera and things go sour. You understand? And you end up in the wrong lane. Jesus, please. That's why me no want nobody have no secret for me, you know. Because in this case, I know you could have 50 secret all Victoria own. When me done come out, you come tell you half. You have to let go all of my secret them. And that's why I make sure I put my secret them out the road. All rubbish truck can see them and take them if they want them. Yes, man. I put them out the road.
They just want to hear Marcia fall. If me did tomorrow morning, not dance. Yo, here's the calm. I take it. Fuck, I make shit dead and what. But that, yeah, them not, but them all dead before me.
Then come on. You know, wish that pan 360 and say you that keep big dance and you that keep up all the memorial a year time. So if that you reach you, so it go. You know, we should pan people out here. Yeah, we should pan me earlier on, you know. So them boy at Jamaica can this and that chant. Yes, man. All them is in them me have pan hard drive. Me have them souvenir. Time I ready for them if it come to the test. Cause if you don't mail me, me not mail you, but if you mail me, them there on hard drive. All of the check them and where you say you got to make man do to me. And from where man must do to me. Me have them store, Marcia. You understand? But you see through social media, I just social media. And me know no phone no just yappers. Only never live a towel in an Olympic garden when yapper run things, but me don't know how no big yapper on social media. So me not really make that trouble me. But when you move to me now, a different thing. You understand? So you could have talk and go on. Social media is social media. Me leave that alone. Not care where you want, so you can play all my content, me not have a problem. Some people might do, me not have none of those. Some people say you can't slander them. And I use them content. Well, me not slander you. Because me not want to look under you. And me wouldn't want to see under you. Because me would have to borrow the eyeglass of Andrew Holness when him just come in a politics, the one when him did a wear with the lens sticks so. Like a BMW windscreen. If you look under you. You understand? So basically, me just have them. So if you rush off of me rush off of you. In whatever way you rush off of me will rush off of you.
They rejoice. Remember, say me can't do it again, them bury me there, you know. Them keep funeral for me and put me on hearse, picture up.
Are the wrong thing them do. Chin, next time, cremation. Next time, a cremation. Ashes. So then can rise back.
Put me on hearse and keep funeral for me. So them not, only them left it dead. No, me can't do it again. Cause remember, say them bury me already, you know. Remember that. Then keep funeral for me. The whole of them keep funeral for me there. And put my picture up on hearse and over there keep church for me and ceremony. So me can't do that again, because nobody can do it 2 times. So me glad them dead, them kill me off already. I for them time to go now. But them only can keep pretend funeral for me, but them are go dead for true. A piece of rain out the door. No, sir.
Thank God, say that when you're sleeping in a car.
They can't bury me no more. So
Thank God that when you get evicted, that rain down fall.
They can't bury me no more. Because you know, so they keep big funeral for me there. I put my hearse. Yeah, you know, so they keep funeral for me. I'll put my picture up on hearse and post it all over social media and attack. Also, me glad so they can't bury me no more. I for them time to go now. I bet. And I'm still alive.
Monkey face, yeah, man.
I was buried alive, but I'm still breathing. I don't know what tomorrow may bring, but I've got a feeling.
I got a feeling.
I was buried alive, but I'm still breathing. So what happened? They buried me alive, but I'm still breathing. Pick up the Buju Banton. July the 13th, no good again. I was buried, so they can't bury me. So none of them can't come out and tell me so them bury me. Because you can't kill me off too much because of one time I did on it. What are you talking about? But Marcia, you should have go and listen the live.
She no want to listen it. Because if she listen it going to irritate her spirit. And she going to do what she no want to do. Can you imagine over 36 hours going 48 hours just 2 days? And no man say want to tell me say she no listen to live there. She no want to listen it, man. Because she know if she listen it, she have to go come out here. And she know if she listen it, she have to go get rid of her wrenches them. Honey girl who want to call herself Homeland Security now. The same one did name Honey girl. We're loving at the comment over there type up all kind of things about 99. And she changed her name to Homeland Security. You understand? She have to go around the whole of them where did I tell her the morning say, she not say nothing bad about you. She never mean nothing. She never this. She never that. Like them in defense of what T-girl do. Like them no see. I no say them no see them no. But guess what me now? Them I tell themselves no, we can't make this happen. We can't make this happen. We know all never blessed stay. Jesus please, we can't make this, no, we can't condole this. It now go look good for not even we were renters. This sister, she and Tina go kick off. Right now, social media go explode if that happen, and it not go look good pan we neither. So here we have to control it here. When them come to the comment, we are gonna say this and we are gonna say that and we are make it look like say nothing happen. So right now, if she go look pan that the video there, she have to go run them way too.
And get your understanding. Me no business about no understanding. Whatever Tina says, the blogger them running away with it. Tina should have never said it. Should have never called up my name with me and that woman or nobody.
Still not enough.
Not in this sort of saga
Simple,
where I go
sir.
up on social media.
Simple,
Because
sir.
me tell her so when it comes to me and it comes to
Tina
her,
should
as
not
you
call
say,
my
same
name.
thing,
Simple,
them
sir.
change it up and care go put it in all kind of way.
This too simple.
That's what I'm saying.
This is unbelievable. No, sir, I curly this. This is unbelievable and I
That's
curly
all I'm
this.
saying. When it comes to me, if you say, it no matter what you say, then turn it around for me.
This is more than a homeless disgrace what Tina do to you. This is more than a homeless disgrace what Tina do to you. And I just simple so. You go take it and you just talk simple. Your voice not strong. You not talk on top of your voice. You know, you not talk like you want. Me dey hear you say somebody send it come give me. Send it live come give me. Like we normal do if you hear say somebody else say something. Not even that. This is too simple. When this is more than an embarrassment, you becoming she calling for you to become a recipient of Planka Shop that run by Dr. Donna Marie Go and financed by Planka Nation. Remember who's Planka Nation? Remember who's Planka Shop? Remember what is Planka Shop? Remember who is Dr. Donna Marie Go? For she to be saying you to come align yourself to be a recipient. Yo, Marcia. Hey.
What are the bloggers are rejoicing about? A long time they want you to get Mother Tina. Then I will get Mother Tina. You hear me come out here, Costina? More than I said she shouldn't have brought up my name in nothing. What are you talking about? The haters are rejoicing now. Rejoice about what?
We are rejoice after what Tina said about you.
Rejoice about what?
But we want to rejoice some more when you have to respond.
Tina brought up my name in no conversation today, knowing that out here run hard and whatever it is, then rejoice about what? You hear me quote here, Costina? So what are you writing that for? Are you come out here and make trouble now? What is it you're rejoicing about? You hear me coming out here cussing Tina? More than I say Tina should have brought up my name and nothing. I have the time to read in a positive light here now. As I said before, based on what I've heard, I did not listen to it and I'm not going to. I didn't listen to it. I only heard from my friend what was said.
Full stop. Full stop. She are not interested in listening to it. Because she know it got cheaper and she don't want cheap.
And I said she shouldn't have brought up nothing like that. Whether it was said.
Why you don't want to listen to something like that? Why? Something where it was all over your platform when you took to your live. In the comment section, it was all over in your platform when you took to your live. Your friend tell you this, tell you that, tell you. And you don't want to go hear for yourself? Come on, man. Something not right here, so. Something not right here, so, Marcia. Something not right. Tina have secret for you. This is obvious now. She have see. You know want to see her, you not go see. If anybody else you want to see, you want to hear, you want to look, you want to peep.
In a positive and negative when it comes to me. Because they might run with it. It's not what was said, it's how it's said. A lot of people now have no understand when it comes to certain things.
Did Marcia just say that? About 3 comments you read in your comment section doing this live. Even the one where you respond to. Where the person tell us you read with understanding. So how you come out and say this now what you say? You try everything to make it look good and at the same time you still say she shouldn't come out and come call their name. So all you try to make it look good when you don't acknowledge say she shouldn't come out and come call her name, especially involved with that woman. But you still try to make it look good. Why? 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 What's the reason why you making this looking so good? Why is it that you can't come out and say something where the social media fraternity are look for? Whether cuss her, you just tell her off naturally, or you cuss her up on a certain level. Why is it you don't even want to hear what she say more than what them tell you? And them dress it up and tell you. Yes, them admit say she call your name. Yes, them admit say boy, them say you need help. She say you need help. But them do it in a way where you will accept. So you need to go listen for yourself. Make your own judgment of what she have said. And see if, I know your ears, I know you're below the belt. Your ears, Mike Tyson and Holyfield. Go listen for yourself. Where you hold back, I don't know. Something
you have
right
to be
there.
careful when it comes to me. I'm calling my name. And alongside, me not patch up with nobody. Me hear say a statement is made that me should have, both of me, I'm 99 to patch up. Me a 99 and patch up now way. Cause me no have nothing to patch up. My name should have never bring up here because I know me see it over so.
That's all you sing pan. My name shall never bring up. She should never bring up my name. You're not talking about nothing else what she saying in the video. I just a part there here. Them say Tina call your name and say you're 99 for men fences. Are the part that alone you hear? Or you figure men fences 99? Are the part that alone you hear? Or 99? You know you're nothing else? Cause that's all you depend. You hear say your name call. You hear say she should never call your name. Are that alone you hear?
Social media everybody a runway. Oh, me go to Tina fi ask Tina fi help me. I sitting. So I'm
Are the part that you want coming pan?
That my friend said it that instead of her coming out and rejoicing over my downfall, if she said me have downfall, why she never help me? Me never like the part there. If that's
people
she should have left it alone.
At the end of the video that you don't like the part there, but at the same time you not show your disgust on either this level, or no level at all, and you don't like it. I may say simpler things than that. Trigger you where you don't need to get triggered. People who support your business calling and a question how them things don't reach yet. And you get triggered because you feel like the people them not supposed to ask you nothing and just wait till it reach when the people them already send you their money. The people them want to know what's going on. And you trigger and you cuss and you talk and you not send back the money, you not refund the money. And as a matter of fact, this time and something like this. This is your response? Speak your mind, people. You wanna see why I tell you say I couldn't do on the other video because I see it here. Almost 40 minutes. And the next video I 44 or 40 something. So you see why me have to do it separate. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. Mad people something. No? Yes man. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video and please to watch it. As remember my backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And remember in the comment section you have Tamika Douglas and Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give them a subscription. Bless upon yourself. Sunday again before you see me after you see this, which is just a couple hours away. You know, but you know I get no 2 videos Sunday. Sunday my rest day. When I stay and sleep out the whole day. I stay with my wife on Sunday. You remember when my wife name Sleep. She not let me go to the 4 or 5 o'clock evening time. All hungry, she make me stay in the bed hungry. But that's the whole day I have to spend with my wife. Sleep? Bless upon herself. I'm out. But still a question Marcia why she can't come out Pantina for this what Tina do. And she come out for less than this from other people. Even customers will support our business. But we are gonna find out. One day, soon too. Not far from now.